Okay guys, today I'm breaking, it's only one box of Leaf Limited, so this will be quick and hopefully painless. Got doing it this time on my UCLA blanket because of those Final Four teams. Alright, zoom in. We got this off eBay. Let's hope I didn't get ripped off. First card, Eli Manning. Behind it, John Elway. It's cool. So far so good. Kind of thick. Let's see what's in here. Alright. So we got Eli Manning, Jonathan Joseph, rookie, spotlight, number 2, 3 out of 50. Alright, and you got your John Elway, numbered to 799. Alright, now I see this one's numbered 48 out of 100. So, wait, no, Colts, team trademarks, Peyton Manning. Look at that. It's okay. Good condition, no autograph, nothing, but hey, there it is. Number 200. Alright, that's it. We'll get something later this week. See you guys.